Alrighty, good morning and welcome to Milan, Italy. And for the last 8 days, I've been running around filming the event, the Salone di Mobile, which is like a fashion show, furniture convention for like design and all sorts of different things. So that's been a really great opportunity to hang out here. But as I've been running around filming all these different things, I haven't really had a chance to see the city at all. So I've got 1 day left. It's pouring with rain and I'm gonna go out and see how much of Milan I can see all in 1 day. So today we'll start off like any other day, and there's a little coffee shop down the road that I've been going to all week and they do amazing coffee. So I'm gonna go get one more coffee. Ciao!
Oh.
Ciao! Posso prendere il caffè? So that was Caffè Napoli, and they're actually a chain of restaurants in and around Milan, but this one is on the street via Vitruvio. Have the best croissants as well. Pistachio croissants, chocolate croissants, hazelnut, cream croissants, and then if you get a coffee with it, you can match your coffee to that. So they put a bit of extra cream if you get a cream croissant. They put hazelnuts on the edge of the rim like a margarita if you get a Nutella one, and they put a little bit of pistachio in the coffee as well if you get a pistachio croissant. Very, very good, very cool group of people down there that work there. And yeah, they're just super lovely. I would highly recommend going there. So this is Centrale Station. Very wet today. So the good thing about Centrale Station is this is the connecting platform for the S-Line trains, which go to like further parts of Italy. And then it also has the underground system as well, so the metro. So look out for the red M's if you're trying to get to the metro. But I don't know where I'm going, so I'm gonna figure that out now. Alrighty, so I want to head to the tallest building in Milan, and I've just chucked it into the map here, and it's telling me to take the green line to there. So I'll show you how to use the metro, get a ticket. So if you want to get a ticket, come onto this, and then you want to get daily 3 zones, €7.60. So this is a 24-hour ticket around anywhere on the metro. So you can either go to the red machines there, you can get an all-day pass, but the line's too long, so you can also just use your card. I can tap on that way. So, and to make sure I'm going the right way, I always check these little maps here.
The building behind us, but only on the weekends.
Ah, right.
So late.
Unfortunately, we missed out, but that's what it looks like, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, if you're here on the weekend, you can go up apparently that tower there. These are some famous gardens around here, apparently. Nice to meet you.
You, New Zealand.
Yeah.
New Zealand, Russell Crowe.
Huh?
Russell Crowe.
Russell Crowe, yeah.
I need to be like this.
That's okay, your English is great. Good, much better than my Italian, for sure. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Enjoy your day. Ciao. Okay, so a bit of a failed mission this morning, but that's all right. I mean, it's been lovely walking around here, seeing all the wonderful architecture. But yeah, so I'm gonna jump back on the train now. I got off the train at Lanza. It's about a 5-minute walk to the Pinacoteca di Brera, in the suburb of Brera. I'll tell you what, today is not my day. The Pinacoteca is closed due to the design week stuff that we've been filming all week. So I'm gonna have to give you an insider scoop from what the inside of the place looked like for one of those events. So after one of the filming days here in Milan, I actually finished up in Lanza and had to catch a train from just down the road there. And I stopped off at this place on the way, one of the many op shops around here. This one's called Surplus, but if you want more of like a second-hand shop, they're called Share. And these have some really, really cool things in them, so I'm going to show you a look around.
from Sri Lanka. It's a nice guy. And have you tried to go to Sri Lanka? It's a nice country.
Tell me something about Italy.
Italy is a very good, and this is my dream country. However, I've been there within 2 years.
You've been there 2 years?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what do you do for a job?
I'm doing housekeeping and something like part-time jobs.
Okay, is it expensive to live in Milan?
Yeah, a little bit expensive, but Milan is a very good city.
Okay.
Other cities better than other cities.
Yeah, the castle up here is good?
Yeah, that's better, and a big park close to there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful one.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Ciao.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And so from what the bro told me before, he mentioned that there was a garden behind this place. So I'm gonna go check that out now. Check out the gardens, the Leonardo da Vinci Museum, which I really wanted to go to. It's closed today. Opens at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, which is interesting. It's Monday and everything is closed on a Monday. So that's definitely would have been worth checking, but I didn't. So if you want to see all of Milan in one day, you can't do it on a Monday. There is one more museum that's open for another 20 minutes, so I'm going to see if I can get there. That's got the painting of the Last Supper, so that's one of the most famous paintings in the world, so I'll be pretty keen to see that if I can. But with the way things are going, I doubt it. Failure, utter failure. Humana vintage at the moment, and I've found some pretty cool things. This pair of pants, it's got a nice little trim on here. I've also found a little shirt, Versace, which I think is very cute. €5. That's nice, you know, that's a good shirt. I got a little blouse thing for Kate. They're both made in Italy. Humana vintage, very good shop. €7 for all that. €7 for a very nice silk top. Right, so great success. So I'm now heading to Bivio Milano, which is another vintage store about 3 minutes down the road from Humana Vintage. And look at this cool car. Oh, it's got the hurricane rims too. Ooh. It's just like this random little sportswear shop in there. Pretty cool. Prices were on Pokemon cards, which I'd love to see, but a little bit more expensive than what we just saw. So I think this thing might be the same, so we'll see. Yep. Feel like an English chap. Pretty cool, very cool, but that blue and cream jacket that I tried on was €450, which is it's not quite op shopping prices, but still very fun. Oh look, another one. Wow. Ladies, this is the street to be on for op shopping. I haven't really looked at the ladies things, but it seems good. This street is very good for op shopping. Pistachio? Yeah. That's good? Pizza. Pesca. Pistachio. Ciao, bro.
Pineapple is our flavor.
Okay. Ooh, wow. Oh, amazing. This is pistachio ice cream and pineapple and basil.
Basil and without milk, without sugar.
Amazing. Thank you, bro. He hooked me up with a free ice cream. What a legend. And he might send me some music to use for this next part of the video. So.
Siamo poveri ma ricchi dentro.
Alright, so I'm in thrift store Milano right now. I just copped these bad boys, and they have mismatching laces. So, and they've only got half of a leather sole left in them. These are pretty old, but they were super comfy, and they look awesome. So, got these for €25. Yeah.
Se chi suona porta, parlerà la sfoglio. Io non ho bisogno di nemici attorno. Amami per quello che sono. Colmami dentro questo mio vuoto. Consolami quando resterò solo.
This street in general is just really cool. There's a thing at the end there. I'll have to go check that out.
Specchio di Alice.
La specchio di Alice. Alice's mirror. Okay, cool.
Cercati una casa, giro per il mondo, senza mai stancarmi, come un'aquila nomade.
Currently in the province of Navigli, and this is the Blues Canal.
Come un'aquila. Sai che cosa è bello? Sentirmi nello stereo, rimbombare da dentro, come fosse uno spettro.
Currently on my way to the Mudec Museum, which has a lot of Vincent van Gogh pieces in it. Last time Katie and I and Sasha were in Milan, we got there just as it was closing, and so they wouldn't let us in to buy a ticket. So we actually snuck in through the exit, which was pretty funny. And we managed to see about half of the Vincent van Gogh exhibition, but yeah, they kicked us out after that, but it was pretty funny. It's a pretty big day of not seeing Milan and switching it up halfway through to go op shopping, so we'll take what we can get. I'm pretty cold and wet. I'll pick you up when I get to the
Mamma che gridava, io che non tornavo, poi le canne fuori scuola.
So here we are in the Mudec Museum, and as it turns out, don't listen to me when it comes to anything to do with Milan, because the Vincent van Gogh Museum exhibition has actually finished, and now they're only showing Picasso. But that's alright, we'll take that.
Vita passata, tra le mura e la strada, per l'Italia e il Marocco, come un nomade, in cerca di una casa, in giro per il mondo, senza mai stancarmi.
So just so happened to be walking past this shop here. So walk-ins are welcome, so now I'm getting a tattoo, so it's great.
Side of the world, man.
Who's the team to support in Milan?
Whatever you want, but FC Internazionale is the best. But for him, AC Milan, not today. Not today. Not even yesterday, but it's in the heart. This is kind of crazy, and it is. I don't care very much about football, but it's a social phenomenon. It's nice. Happy people and people crying at home now.
We're stopping by the door. Milan Milano International has won. Putting to your lives.
Gelosia mai provata, al massimo si solo stima. Autostima dei miei mezzi, stiamo sempre sopra questi. Fuck la tua gang del cazzo, dici ma non fai mai un cazzo. Sto fumando la tua gruppi, mentre si mi succa il cazzo. Fanno corazza addosso, se mi tocchi poi ti spezzi. Noi buttati per le strade, tu quei soldi di tuo padre, Non mi frega un cazzo frate, voglio fare i soldi. Non voglio stare più male, non voglio stare più male. Tu non credi, noi non credi, io sia capace. Se mi incontri hai paura, sai che faccio una strage. Ho bisogno di uscire da sta situazione che non mi piace.
Pretty safe to say I did not expect that from my last night in Milan. And look where we are. We're back at the tower that we tried to climb this morning. So, in amongst the chaos of all that, ended up getting a tattoo to escape the rain. The guy liked my shirt. He bought a shirt. I got a tattoo from him. Then I went out for dinner with him and his friends. And then I walked down to the Duomo, which was a lot busier than the last time I was there, because the last time I was there I managed to get those hyperlapse, but there was absolutely no chance of getting that tonight, so I'm glad I did it.
Preso tutta la mia vita, me ne sono andato via. Mio fratello è altrove, mio padre ha lasciato tutto. Non riesco a restare in casa.
Right now I'm actually walking home because it's late. I've missed all the trams, and I jump on a flight for 28 hours tomorrow at 2 o'clock, so I won't have much time to do anything really. Maybe get one last coffee, maybe see one last op shop.
Voglio le ali, sta volante dietro mi abbaglia con i fari. Giuro non ho un cazzo nei pants, giuro tutto legale. Non faccio del male, mi lasci stare. Mangio dallo stesso piatto con i frate. Sottoterra se esce fumo dalle grate. Sono in due posti molto